Now we will show how to get a script from Camo Community. Example packages and scripts, including custom scripts by Camo, are available from Camo Community. In this page within Camo Community, we can download the Disney script we will use. You need to log in to Camo Community to get access. Registration is free. Select Machine Learning from the categories that appear. Find the Disney with cat.py script and download. If you want to view the code, you can select See Code. The description for the script lists the packages which are required to run the script. NumPy and Pandas have been installed already, so we will now install the scikit-learn package. From the command line, use pip to install the scikit-learn package as done for the other packages. Type py -m pip install sklearn and hit enter. Once installation is complete, go to your Downloads folder and unzip the downloaded Disney folder. Transfer the Disney script within the extracted folder to the location of choice or leave it in the Downloads folder.